Indonesia for one night? Yes, pwedeng-pwede po. Hi guys, my name is Jenny, isang OFW dito sa Singapore for more than 2 years. Sa bidyong ito, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung paano ko in-spend yung overnight ko sa Batam, Indonesia. By the way, just to let you know, Batam, Indonesia will only take 45 minutes to an hour travel time depending sa ferry operator. So, nag-book po ako ng ferry ticket from EasyBook which cost me 38 Singapore dollars or more or less 1,600 pesos one way. At dahil medyo tamad po ako, nag-book po ako ng driver from the ferry terminal para po i-tour kami the entire day ng pagstay namin sa Batam, Indonesia. And straight from the terminal, dumiretso kami sa Next Level Coffee and Beachfront Bar para po sa aming lunch. Share ko lang, this is my 3rd time here in Batam, Indonesia at ngayon lang ako nakapag-explore ng ganito. For me, this place is very nice kasi I love the air at the beach kahit mainit. At dumiretso kami sa Welcome to Batam sign para magpa-picture lang. Because why not? Pagkatapos, pumunta kami sa Berlang Bridge kung saan nakita nyo ako nagti-TikTok na sobrang daming tao. At maganda siya in fairness. So after nyan, nag-check-in kami, nagpahinga saglit, and then prepared for the dinner time. Napakaraming beach club sa Batam, Indonesia actually. But I decided to come to this place and it's called Blue Fire Beach Club. This place for me is a perfect place. I was so amazed. It's been a while since I last did this to myself. I was able to enjoy the band, music, fireworks, and drinks. Sabi nga nila, you only live once, kaya tinodo ko na, umuwi tayong lasing. And before going back to Singapore, we tried the Indonesian traditional massage. And it was a very good massage. Terima kasih, kakak. Bye-bye!